Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site. In this video, we will demonstrate how to edit our DIY funeral program template using our easy online editor. For this demonstration, we will be using our pink song design. First, open your online editor template. We have filler text included within our templates to help guide you along. To edit the filler text, double-click on the text until you see the cursor turn into a vertical line. This means you can now select the existing text and begin entering your own. To remove our text, click and drag to highlight and hit delete on your keyboard. Now begin typing or pasting in your own information. You are also free to change the font name and size if desired. The top navigation menu provides many different font styles for you to choose from, as well as the sizing and formatting. To add an additional text box, click on the left text button indicated by a capital A icon. Within this menu, you have three selections: add heading, add a body text, or you can add text displayed in a curved presentation. Once selected, the new text box will appear within the template. Double-click on it to begin editing. To remove, click on the text box and hit the red trash icon on the top navigation bar, or hit delete on your keyboard. Our online editor makes it easy to create and edit a printed memorial in just minutes with no technical or creative skills necessary. Get yours today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.